Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to update BIOS on Gigabyte B650 Eagle AX motherboard. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and search for Gigabyte B650 Eagle AX support. Open the official Gigabyte website, go to the support section, then open the BIOS tab. Download the latest BIOS version and confirm the model name and version before saving the file. Next, insert a USB flash drive into your computer. Right-click the USB in Windows and format it to FAT32. This step is important for BIOS detection. Extract the downloaded zip file and copy the BIOS file, usually ending with an F number, directly to the USB main directory. Now restart your PC and press Delete repeatedly to enter the BIOS menu. Inside the BIOS, press F8 or select Q Flash. Choose Update BIOS, select the file from the USB, and confirm. Do not power off during the update. The system will reboot automatically. That's it for this video. Thanks.